Okay, we're just setting up our machine and we're testing it before we apply the pump for the honey. And we had an issue, our film was a little bit too wide on our roll, but we have a couple extra millimeters. It's causing some issues here. But what happened, the film wasn't folding over properly in this lane and we weren't getting the vertical seal properly. So what we did, as it was running, we stuck our finger in here and flipped it. Right now we're flipping everything to the right, but we flipped it to the left with our fingers as it's running, flipped it back to the right, and it corrected itself. So where we had the two ends coming together, folding properly without the glue exposed, and then the cutting head could hit it.
And then what was the 2-cycle thing when you first turned the machine on?
Oh, the 2-cycle.
Yeah, that's for the photo cell. The photo cell.
Oh, okay.
So you hit the photo cell button?
Yep, so when you have everything aligned,
okay,
and set up.
And cutting it right now.
And cutting right now, you turn the photo cell on, and then you turn the cutting knife on.
Okay. So we just got everything corrected, and now we have everything lined up. The ribbons are all cutting properly, they're all sealing properly. So what we do now, we're running, we'd be running here, we'd be running film and vertical jaw to set up, and then once we have that, then we can put on our photo cell, which did our alignment, so we're cutting in the proper spot on our package and showing the proper graphics. And then we can put on the cut, which is right here. So then we'll run it again, we'll run it for 2 cycles and let that photo eye adjust it.
And also, he said after 2 cycles, pull it a little bit, right? When you first turn the machine on.
Yeah, before you used to do the eye.
Yeah.
Because once the eye's on, it's automatically set in its own.
So once everything's set up properly, we got all our ribbons cut, we run it for a while, we make sure everything's folding properly, sealing properly vertically and horizontally. Then we're going to take it and we're going to pull all the lanes tight. We're going to turn on the photo eye and the cut button and run it for 2 cycles and get our cut in the proper spot. So we have it's a long package. Once we get it just sealing properly, then we can hit the photo eye for 2 cycles and it should correct itself. Got that?
We'll just turn it on, so they can see it. You just turn the machine on and go.
Okay. Yeah.
Take your shirt and back it.
Now it's set.
So now we check it. Our cuts are in the proper spot. It's holding there. We don't have any PE glue showing. And we're in a good position now to turn on our filler.